Hi everyone, it's Aris and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I do my big fluffy hairdo. It's my favorite go-to hairstyle when I want to do hime. For this style I'm using 2 bangs, 2 buns and a back part from the Japanese brand Prisila wigs. They were super popular in the 2010s, but getting pieces from them now is nearly impossible. I'm using the color Leah, but most wig parts come in 6 to 9 different colors. I also own a lot of pieces from the color TGMX, but no bangs, and therefore can't wear them. The first thing I always do is pin back my bangs with some bobby pins. If you don't have any bangs, you're already good to go. Then I section my hair into 3 different parts. I make a ponytail at the back, and to give it some volume, I also add a small bun, but that's completely optional. Then I roll my hair into a bun on one side and then on the other side. It looks a bit messy, usually I work neater, but my hair was a bit too oily already and didn't really stay in place. Also try to make the buns near the top of your head and away from your face. As you can see here, my left bun is much too close to my face. When this is done, I take my first bangs and clip them on, usually about 1 centimeter from my eyebrows. Then I take the second clip and just set it below my eyebrows. Keep a small comb ready and straight out any weird loops that may form. The back part is next. There are small combs at the top and bottom of the hair clip, and I try to really get that into my hair. The buns are next, and there's a comb too, but also a drawstring with the lock. Open the lock, put the bun over your own bun and then pull the drawstring and lock it. As you can see, I have difficulties putting on the hairpiece because my bun is not placed correctly. Comb and tidy up your hair and try to hide any visible holes. As you can see, my mirror was on the right and I did not see the hole on the left. Also, there's a kind of mini gap where the wig parts meet, and it is usually hid with a large bow, like this one from La Parfait, which was also very popular in the 2010s. Or a big hat. I usually go with the big hat. And that's it, that's my whole look. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and support me on Patreon starting from just €1 a month. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye!